Hello everyone, today we'll see how to replace the Wi-Fi card of an Acer E15 Series laptop. Remove all the screws here. All the screws from the bottom. First of all, remove the battery by sliding this lock. Already I have removed it, and this DVD writer also I have removed. After removing all the screws, turn your laptop upside down. Here, this way. Here we need to take out this panel, keyboard panel here. Do it gently. Here inside you can see the connectors for keyboard, touchpad as well as power switch. Show it to you. These are the connectors. First of all, remove this mouse connector, touchpad connector. Take out this connector slowly, lock, pull it up, pull the lock up, and this same with the power switch connector also. Taking out the keyboard panel. Here you can see this is your Wi-Fi card. You need to replace it. No Wi-Fi card is showing in your device manager, and if your Wi-Fi card is giving you trouble while installing drivers, sometimes it is showing new hardware font, sometimes it is not showing. That time just remove this, take out both the antenna cables, auxiliary as well as mains. Here remove these, clean these terminals, both the side, with a pencil rubber or IP isopropylene with a microfiber cloth or anti-static cloth if you have. Clean them. After cleaning, insert it and boot up your system and check it whether new hardware font is showing and you are able to install the drivers as well as you are able to work on Wi-Fi. It is getting connected properly, there is no dropping out. By chance if it doesn't work, cleaning the Wi-Fi card terminal doesn't work, buy a new Wi-Fi card which suits, which matches, which is compatible with your laptop system, with your motherboard, processor. Then after buying it, just insert it in the way I am showing it to you. Here insert it inside the connector. Here it should lock. Here is one hole and notch there. Just fasten the screw. Connect the antenna cables. We are done. After the packing up, close the panel. Okay. While inserting the panel, first we need to connect all the cables here. Here you can see. We are done. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.